Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another design team project for my creative time. And as you see, I have this adorable pumpkin. I did color it up myself. But before I show you the card a little bit more close, I'm going to show you everything that I used to create the card. And so, starting out, I used the coffee break paper pack, and I used this one here and this one there. And then we were supposed to use something from the Halloween release, and so that's one of the reasons why I chose the pumpkin. But I also used a few items from that release. So from the sweet gingerbread add-ons, person add-ons, I used this hat for the stem of the pumpkin. I did go over to actually her blog, and I get inspiration from the other designers, and I noticed that somebody used that hat for a stem, so I thought it was perfect. I also used from I Love Fall. I used the little feathers from the turkey for the leaf, and like I said, I used the pumpkin, and that was from the jack-o'-lantern tag set. So that was where I got the pumpkin from. Then I also used from the giant ginger girl, I used that little bow right there. And I went a few releases back, and I pulled from her release, and this one's called the Time for Tea stamps. I used that Thinking of You along with the die set, and I think that's right there. I try and put it in the same position that she has the stamps. And then from her foliage dies, I used this right here. And then from the Pretty Scallop rectangle dies, I used the largest one there. And so I did color up this myself, like I said, as well as that bow and everything else that accompanies this beautiful pumpkin. I love like teals and turquoise colors, so that's what I tried to focus on there. I did color up this paper to kind of match that Thinking of You and the paper that I used in the background. Added some gems, and then one large gem in the center of that bow, and I thought it just turned out so pretty. I did add one of those pretty rectangles in the inside of the card, and love how this turned out. So down below you will find all of the links for the items that I used today to create this card, as well as my design team sisters, and of course all of the links for where you can find Emma and all of her designs. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone. You'll have a blessed and crafty day.